हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल खुशी स्टडी। आज मैं आपको अगस्त मंथ के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स बताने जा रही हूँ। लेट्स स्टार्ट। 1 अगस्त मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। Recently, Joe Biden has announced the end of US war exercise in which country? Answer is Iraq. The government of Saudi Arab has announced a ban on traveling to countries included in the red list, including India. Answer is 3 years. Which country has decided to return 14 artworks to India? Answer is Australia. Recently, in which country there has been a forest fire? Answer is Turkey. Recently, who has become the only city in the country to be selected for the International Clear Air Catalyst program? Answer is Indore. Recently, which company has announced the launch of new robotics company Intrix? Answer is Alphabet. Recently, the government has announced 27% reservation for OBC and 10% reservation for EWS in which area? Answer is Medical College. A consignment of Raja Mircha of which state, which is called King Mircha or Bhoot Jholokia, has been exported to London? Answer is Nagaland. Which has become the first bank in the country to issue 1 crore fast tags? Answer is Paytm Payments Bank. 2 August most important current affairs. India's legendary badminton player PV Sindhu has won which medal in Tokyo Olympics? Answer is bronze medal. How many tiger reserves of India have been recognized by Global Conservation Azure Tiger Standards? Answer is 14. According to ICMR's 4th Serology Survey released in July 2021, which state has the highest number of COVID-19 seroprevalence? Answer is MP. Who has won the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2021? Answer is Asha Bhosle. Which company has collaborated with CBSE and Ministry of Education for All initiative? Answer is Intel. In the context of medical college admission, the All of India Quito. In the context of medical college admission, the All India Quito scheme was launched in which year? Answer is 1986. Which country Buen Retro Park and Paseo del Prado have been added to the UNESCO World Heritage List? Answer is Spain. Scientists have discovered the first evidence of water vapor in the icy moon Ganymede of which planet with the help of Hubble Space Telescope? Answer is Jupiter. Which ministry has launched Earth System Science Data Portal on its 15th Foundation Day? Answer is Ministry of Earth Science. Which country has decided to return 14 artifacts to India? Answer is Australia. 3 August most important current affairs. Recently, which country has been exported Fazil mango which got GI tag of West Bengal? Answer is Bahrain. Recently, America has imposed sanction of the police force and leaders of which country? Answer is Cuba. According to the recently released report, which state has topped in the vaccination status? Answer is Gujarat. Who will preside over the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer is Abdullah Shahid. Which two countries have conducted joint military exercise cooperated between the navies? Answer is India and Indonesia. Which country has accidentally founded the world's largest star sphere cluster? Answer is Sri Lanka. Which will the Defence Expo be organized in 2022? Answer is Gujarat. Who has become the new Controller General of Accounts of India? Answer is Deepak Das. Recently, which state government has started Krishikarna project? Answer is Kerala. According to the report of the World Trade Organization, what is the position of India in terms of exporting agricultural products? Answer is 9th. 4th August, most important current affairs. Recently, the army chief of which country has appointed himself as the Prime Minister? Answer is Myanmar. Which country has been entrusted with the presidency of the United Nations Security Council for August 2021? Answer is India. Recently, in which country will all the doctors living in the Golden Visa be granted? Answer is UAE. Who has become the first country in the world to give a booster dose of COVID to the elderly? Answer is Israel. Recently, where India and China have established a new hotline? Answer is Sikkim. Who is the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympics medals? Answer is PV Sindhu. Who has won the title of Hungarian Grand Prix 2021? Answer is Esteban Ocon. On which date Muslim Women Rights Day is celebrated for the first time in India? Answer is 1st August. Which has become the first bank in the country to issue 1 crore FASTags? Answer is Paytm Payments Bank. 5 August, most important current affairs. India's lightest metro train has been sent from which country for Pune Metro? Answer is Italy. Recently, Nicole Pashinyan has again become the Prime Minister of which country? Answer is Armenia. Haldibari Chilahati Railways route has resumed between India and which country? Answer is Bangladesh. Which has become the first Indian city to have 100% vaccination against COVID-19? Answer is Bhubaneswar. To strengthen the food security scheme to urine, in which state One Nation One Ration Card scheme has been launched? Answer is Odisha. Recently, Kutherian Tunnel is in discussion. In which state is this tunnel located? Answer is Kerala. Under the Crime and Criminal Tracking Networking System, the police of which state has secured the first position? Answer is Haryana. Which medal has been won the boxer Lovlina Borgohain in Tokyo Olympics? Answer is bronze medal. World's youngest climber to climb K2? Answer is Shahroz Kashif. 6th August, most important current affairs. In which union territory Maldives style water villas will be set up? Answer is Lakshadweep. Who will be the chief guest on Independence Day 2021? Answer is Olympic team. Which state has recently unveiled India's first earthquake mobile app? Answer is Uttarakhand. Which state government has started Har Hit Store scheme to end unemployment? Answer is Haryana. Which city has topped the QS Best Student Cities ranking? Answer is London. IMF has approved how many $1 billion in aid to poor countries to deal with COVID? Answer is 650 billion. Report released by whom suicide cases have increased by 24% due to unemployment? Answer is National Crime Records Bureau. Indian hockey team has won which medal in Tokyo Olympics after defeating Germany after 41 years? Answer is bronze medal. Who has become the first Indian female hockey player to score a hat-trick in Olympics? Answer is Vandana. Who is the first Indian javelin thrower to enter the finals of Olympic Games? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. 7th August Most important current affairs. Recently, Guido Bellido has become the new Prime Minister of which country? Answer is Peru. Recently, America has approved to sell arms to which country for the first time amid rising tension with China? Answer is Taiwan. Israel has launched air strikes on which country in response to the recent rocket attack? Answer is Lebanon. By what name will the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award be given? Answer is Major Dhyan Chand. Nepatha Jhakri Hydro Powder Station has created the record of generation the most electricity in a month. On which rivers in this power station situated? Answer is Satluj River. Which medal has been won the wrestler Ravi Kumar Dahiya in Tokyo Olympics? Answer is silver medal. Recently, the Chief Minister of which state has joined the Coup app? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Who has become the first woman director of Zoological Survey of India? Answer is Dhriti Banerjee. Who has become the new managing director of Life Insurance Corporation of India? Answer is Mini Lippi. What is the name of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier which has started its first sea trials? Answer is INS Vikrant. Who has written the book Leopard Diaries The Rest in India? Answer is Sanjay Gubbi. When has Hiroshima Day recently celebrated? Answer is 6th August. 8th August Most important current affairs. With which country India's trade deficit has reduced recently? Answer is China. Recently, with which country India will implement MOU in disaster management? Answer is Bangladesh. Which country has recently banned coral harmful sun cream? Answer is Thailand. Recently, who has become sworn in as the new president of Iran? Answer is Ibrahim Raisi. Where has the Border Roads Organization recently built a vehicular road on the world's highest point? Answer is Ladakh. Which state government has launched a new Dalit welfare scheme, Dalit Bandhu? Answer is Telangana. Since when the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshatriya Trust has allowed the devout to have darshan of the adorable Ramlal in the Ram temple? Answer is December 2023. APEDA has tied up with University of Agriculture Science to promote agriculture exports located in which city? Answer is Bangalore. Which bank has launched a shopkeeper overdraft scheme? Answer is HDFC Bank. Who has won the first gold medal for India in Tokyo Olympics 2021? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. 9 August Most important current affairs. Which has become the fifth country to sign the ISA Framework Agreement? Answer is Germany. Recently, India has gifted 30 ambulances to which country? Answer is Bangladesh. Recently, which state government has announced to give 1 crore rupees to the players of men's hockey team? Answer is Punjab. Recently, which High Court has set aside the law of Tamil Nadu banning online games? Answer is Madras High Court. Delhi government has approved the proposal to increase the salary of MLA by what percentage? Answer is 66%. Which medal has Indian wrestler Bajrang Punia won in Tokyo Olympics? Answer is bronze medal. Recently, which country's Magdechu hydroelectric project has been awarded bronze medal? Answer is Bhutan. Which is 7th National Handloom Day celebrated? Answer is 7th August. Recently, when was the 79th anniversary of Quilt India Day celebrated? Answer is 8 August. Which has become the first Indian city to have 100% vaccination against COVID-19? Answer is Bhubaneswar. 10 August most important current affairs. Which has become the first state in India to implement the national education policy from the current academic year 2021 to 22? Answer is Karnataka. According to the Central University Bill 2021, in which state union territory in the Central University will be established? Answer is Ladakh. What is the rank of India in Tokyo Olympics 2022? Answer is 48. Recently, which country athlete has refused to leave Tokyo? Answer is Belarusian. Where will India's first hydrogen fuel cell based train run? Answer is Haryana. Recently, the term of cabinet secretary has been extended. What is his name? Answer is Rajiv Gauba. Recently, BCCI has announced to give how many lakh rupees to the bronze medal winners in Olympics? Answer is 25 lakhs. India and which country Navy has conducted a bilateral exercise Zayed Talwar 2021 off the coast of Abu Dhabi? Answer is UAE. The Gogra region, which was the discussion recently, is located in which state? Answer is Ladakh. Recently, World Biofuel Day has been celebrated. Answer is 10 August. 11 August most important current affairs. Recently, who has become the new Prime Minister of Nepal country? Answer is KP Sharma Oli. Modi, who presides over the UNSC, has become the Prime Minister of India. Answer is first. Which state government has appointed Vandana Kshatriya as the brand ambassador? Answer is Uttarakhand. Which court said that the state government can pardon prisoners including in cases of death penalty? Answer is Supreme Court. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the second phase of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana Ujjwal 2 scheme. What is distributed free of cost? Answer is LPG gas connection. India has set a target of increasing nuclear power capacity to how much MW by the year 2021? Answer is 22,480 MW. Recently, the term of the chairperson of the National Commission for Women has been extended. What is her name? Answer is Rekha Sharma. Which state government has changed the name of Kakori incident? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. 12th August most important current affairs. Lhasa Gongar Airport, which has in discussion recently, is located in which country? Answer is China. Which union territory has abolished the inner line permit for Indian citizens? Answer is Ladakh. Which year has been declared by the United Nations as the International Year of Peace and Trust? Answer is 2021. Who has become the most downloaded social media app in the world? Answer is TikTok. Which West Africa has confirmed the first case of Marburg disease? Answer is Geneva. Which state government has launched out-of-pocket treatment scheme? Answer is Meghalaya. The Chief Minister of which state has launched e-Nagar mobile app? Answer is Gujarat. Border Roads Organization has started its celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in the achievement of completion of how many years of India's independence? Answer is 75 years. What is the rank of India in the Global Youth Development Index among 181 countries released by the Commonwealth Secretariat in India in London? Answer is 122. How many appellate tribunals will be abolished under the Tribunal Reforms Bill 2021? Answer is 9. 13 August most important current affairs. PM Modi has announced an initiative of 11,000 crore to make India self-reliant in which sector? Answer is edible oil. Where has the Indian Air Force constructed the world's tallest air traffic control tower? Answer is Ladakh. Which airport has got the title of the best airport in the world? Answer is Hamad International Airport, Qatar. Recently, with which country India has participated in naval exercise MOHEDAL Hindi 2021? Answer is Saudi Arab. Who has become the winner of FIDE World Cup 2021? Answer is Yan Duda. Which Olympic winning sportsman has been selected by Reserve Bank of India to make people aware against digital banking fraud? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. Who attended the 8th meeting of Justice Minister of Shanghai Cooperation Organization from India's side? Answer is Kiran Rijiju. Recently, Mohammad Mukhbar has become the first vice president of which country? Answer is Iran. When was International Youth Day celebrated? Recently. Answer is 12 August. Recently, in whose name Maharashtra has announced an annual award in the IT sector? Answer is Rajiv Gandhi. 14 August, most important current affairs. Which has become the first state in the country to recognize forest resource right in the urban area? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Which player has been temporarily suspended by the Wrestling Federation of India in a case related to indiscipline? Answer is Vinesh Fogart. Indira Gandhi Urban Credit Card Scheme has been started by the government of which state? Answer is Rajasthan. Which state government has announced to launch faceless transport service? Answer is Delhi. Which has become the first national park in the country to use satellite phone? Answer is Kaziranga, Assam. Who has successfully test-fired the subsonic cruise missile Nerve? Answer is DRDO. Recently, who has become the first water plus city of India? Answer is Indore. Which Indian airport topped the list of Skytrax 2021 World Airports Award? Answer is Delhi. Where will the 130 Durand Cup football competition be organized? Answer is Kolkata. By which year China has set a target of becoming a carbon neutral? Answer is 2060. What is the rank of Neeraj Chopra in World Athletics ranking 2021? Answer is second. 15 August, most important current affairs. Recently, which country has decided to create a digital VAX passport for citizens wishing to travel abroad? Answer is Canada. Recently, which country has test-fired 290 km range surface-to-surface ballistics missile Ghaznavi? Answer is Pakistan. Union Cabinet has given extension of service for how many years to Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla? Answer is 1 year. Recently, a nationwide program of Fit India Freedom Run 2 was started by? Answer is Anurag Thakur. By which year the government of India has set a target to make the country single-use plastic free? Answer is 2022. Recently, who has become the 16th chess grandmaster of India? Answer is Harshit Raja. Recently, which bowler has become the first fast bowler in the world to bowl 35,000 balls in Test cricket and the fourth overall? Answer is James Anderson. Recently, who has launched the country's first driverless autonomous electrical vehicle? Answer is Pune. The governor of which state, Brigadier B.D. Mishra, has been given the additional charge of Mizoram? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. The government of Gujarat has sought assistance of how many crore from the Control from the central government for the current project line of its state? Answer is 2000 crore. Which player has been named as the ICC Man Player of the month of July? Answer is Shakib Al Hasan. Name the player who has not been named as ICC Women's Player of the month of July. Answer is Stephanie Taylor. Thank you.